What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I got 3 packages in that I bought on an app called Bump. There's some pretty insane stuff in here, I'm really excited. So why don't we open these guys up and see what's inside. Just to give you guys a preview of what I bought before I opened them up, I got something that's Supreme, something that's Palace, and then a pair of shoes that I've been looking for a while. I'm gonna go through these one by one and talk about what I like about each one. And I don't usually buy clothing, especially not like hype clothing, at least I don't show it on my channel that much. But I was so excited about this stuff and I got them all from the same place, so I figured why not do one big unboxing video. But first I wanna give a huge thank you to Bump for sponsoring this video. That's the app where I got all this stuff, as you guys will soon see. I'm dropping it, awesome. And I've gotta be honest, I use a lot of buying and selling apps, but Bump might be one of my favorites. The founders of Bump are from the UK and they started buying and selling things in Facebook groups, and so the app is sort of based off that idea, like a community feel, which is really cool. A lot of the other consignment stores and apps that people use usually are just sort of like middlemen. You ship something to them, they take a cut, and then you ship it on to the next person. Bump is really like a community-based system, so you're talking directly to the people, you can haggle on prices, you can really find a deal that works best for you. And unlike apps like Instagram and Facebook, which aren't really designed to buy and sell on, Bump is specifically designed to help you find exactly what you're looking for when it comes to sneakers, streetwear, accessories, etc. So why don't we start off the unboxing with the first of the 3 packages. Let's go with this guy right here. I think I know what this first one is based on the size and sort of the feel of it. There we go. Okay, first item right here. This is dope. So this is a brand new Palace Circuit hoodie, and I'm really happy with this piece because I wanted a hoodie that had a Palace tri-ferg on it. And I didn't exactly know which one I wanted, but the Bump app made it super simple because all I had to do was search Palace, search the color that I wanted, which I didn't actually do because I was kind of fine with any color. Pick the size that you want, pick the condition that you want, and then it shows you all the options available on the app. So as you can see, this is a brand new Palace Circuit hoodie in gray. There's the tri-ferg right there on the front and on the back. And the reason it's called the Circuit hoodie is because obviously the tri-ferg is made up of a bunch of circuits. So that's pretty self-explanatory. I really like the thickness of the hoodie. It doesn't feel like it's gonna rip anytime soon. It feels very durable, very warm. I know I bought this right when the summer was starting, so this might not be something that I wear too often until the fall, but honestly, it's a super easy color to rock with pretty much anything. I'm stoked on it. I forget exactly what I paid for this, but I think it was around retail. And like I said before, the app is really useful for being able to message people, and if you really wanted to, you could try and haggle on the price, but this price was decent enough where I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna pull the trigger and I'm just gonna cop it. So, got this one out of the way. On to the next one. So this next package, I would assume, is the shirt that I bought because of the size of the package. Let's open this guy up and see what we got. I should be using scissors for this. Maybe I shouldn't because I don't want to cut the shirt. I'm just gonna use my raw strength. My raw power. Oh, it's just tape, no big deal. Okay, so inside this package, oh man, this is dope. This is something I've wanted for a really, really long time. So this is a Supreme CDG, I guess, box logo shirt in white. And I actually found this on Bump used, but in really great condition, as you can tell. I don't really see any stains at all, actually, which is awesome. And because it was used, I think it was worn like once, I got it for a really decent price. This is actually the piece that I sent a message over to the seller about because I just wanted to make sure it was legit. I asked for some extra pictures, I asked for some tag pictures. He was a really great guy, shout out to him, super easy to talk to, sent over the pictures really, really quick, and that really gave me a lot of the confidence that I needed to actually pull the trigger on this shirt because, to be honest, it was a decent amount of money for a t-shirt, nowhere close to what it would be if it was brand new. But like I said, the sort of community aspect of Bump is really what makes it special because you really get a chance to talk to the people and just make sure what you're buying is exactly what you want and make sure that you're getting exactly the price that you want. Oh man, I'm so stoked on this. I really love the CDG Supreme logo. I think that's so sick. That crumpled up Supreme sticker that's backwards with the Comme des Garçons shirt written on the front of it. This is dope. This is gonna go really nicely with the next thing that I'm gonna unbox. You guys will see in a second. It's a pair of shoes. It's dope. The item that I'm really, really excited about. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is, but you can see that it's in a Nike box, so that actually probably doesn't help too much. This package was actually the most expensive thing that I bought. I think it ended up being around $500 because it is slightly used, but it's in great condition. And that actually brings me to another one of my favorite things about the Bump app. Bump uses PayPal protection, so you're automatically covered no matter what. Say you get the item in and it's not exactly what you expected, maybe it's a little bit dirtier than you expected, it's the wrong item, it's not brand new and someone told you it was brand new. No matter what it is, PayPal has you covered, and I love that because say I open this up and it's not the pair of shoes that I wanted, I'm good to go. But I did actually talk to the seller through the app before I bought the shoes, so I got extra pictures, I got a really good idea of what I'm getting, so I'm confident it's gonna be exactly what I want. Let's see what we got inside. Do you guys have any guesses? A lot of you guys probably have a decent idea of what it is from the outside of the box, but you probably don't know what color it is. Here we go. Let's go. These are fire. So obviously I picked up the off-white Vapour Maxes in this white colorway. As you guys know, I'm not the biggest Vapour Max fan, but these shoes look so dope. I'm willing to put up with the weird like foot feel. This white colorway with the Air branding and the little orange tag right there, everything about this is dope. I also like the black colorway too, but the white colorway in my opinion just pops more. To be completely honest, I'm definitely gonna have to throw on some protective spray because this is gonna get dirty fast. But I mean, as of right now, like the condition that it came in, I mean, it's almost DS. Oh, man, I'm dropping everything today. The seller said that it was worn once, and I mean, that looks to be right. Nice. Do they come with the blue laces? Oh, I'm really excited about this. Ah, here they are, the blue laces. Oh man. Okay, so I'm gonna switch out these laces to the blue laces, but I'll probably do that for the review because I think those are so sick. So make sure to stay tuned for the review because these guys will definitely be getting a full review. I did sort of an early overview a couple months ago, but now that I have my own pair, I'm gonna do some on feet. I'm gonna do some really nice shots with these guys. I'm stoked. And see what I mean? I wasn't lying about them matching. They do, I mean, they're white, so they go together. There's also a really great buyer and seller rating system. It's 5 stars. So when you buy something and everything goes through smoothly, they'll usually rate you 5 stars so everyone knows you're a good buyer or a good seller, and that's always a good thing. I obviously gave 5 stars to everyone that I bought from because it came in super quick. I think I bought it on Sunday, and then it came in on like Thursday or Friday, but I was out of town for SneakerCon, so I didn't actually get to film this video until just now. But it came in super quick, which is awesome. So if you guys are interested in downloading the Bump app, make sure to check it out in the link at the top of the description. Once you've downloaded it, make sure to follow me on the Bump app. It's just at Seth Fowler. I'm trying to get to 20,000 followers. I know that's a crazy lofty goal, but I mean, hey, that would be really dope if we could do it. Also, while you're at it, there's some really great users that you guys should definitely follow. I'll make sure to leave them underneath that link in the description below. They sell tons of crazy Supreme stuff, Palace stuff, all sorts of great shoes. It's definitely worth checking out. Obviously, you guys saw that you can buy stuff on Bump, but you can also sell some stuff on Bump. It's super easy to do. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it right now. Today, I'm gonna sell one of my Palace Tri-Ferg shirts. I really like it, but the color just isn't exactly something that I wear all the time. Not really something I can pull off that often, so I think I might have to let it go. So listing on Bump is super easy. So obviously the first thing you do is you title your listing. So in my case, it's the Palace 3D Tri-Ferg. And then you can take a pic of the thing that you're trying to sell through the app, which is really great. And it's important to take as many detailed photos as you can. So take photos of the tags, really as much as you can to make sure that the buyer is confident when they buy their item from you. Another important thing to do is make sure your photos are tagged when you're listing them so people know that they're actually your photos. So in this case, what I would do is I'd write my name on a piece of paper and then hold it up while I'm taking a picture of the shirt. So condition, this is used. Category, clothing, tops. Item price, let's say 70. Let's go 65. Colors, blue, white. And then of course you want to go in with your description. So in this case, it's a Palace 3D Tri-Ferg, size small. Also, it didn't fit. That was kind of a bummer too. That was the other thing. And it's listed, you're good to go. The last feature that I think is really great on the app is the Proxy feature. Basically how it works is you search for the brand of the upcoming item that you're looking for. You find someone who's willing to proxy it for you, which means they're basically willing to either wait in line at a store or try and get it online for you. And then basically what happens is they'll buy the item for you and then you'll pay them for the item and a little bit extra on top just for their time and their effort. It's a really great way to grab things from Supreme drops, for example, because obviously most of us have some trouble getting through on the website or can't make it to a store. It gives you another chance at actually being able to get that thing. But guys, that pretty much wraps it up for my Bump haul today. Thank you again to Bump for sponsoring the video. Thank you to everyone who sold me their stuff. This stuff is awesome and I'm really stoked to wear it. Also, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to check out Bump in the link at the top of the description. Make sure to give me a follow and then get to buying and selling.